Hello, I am in Shenzhen, Huaqiangbei. I am in this shopping mall called Paijitan. I find this almost new iPhone. Is that almost new? 99%. It's iPhone 14. It's 256 gigabytes. It's color, it's purple. It's only the price. I know, I made me surprised. Only 2,500 RMB. If you need it, I can help you to pick up, to select the iPhone. I will deliver to you. I'm Jack Chen in Shenzhen, Huaqiangbei. Now you see many people gathering here. No matter they are Chinese, foreigner, because the iPhone here, the price so attractive. So I come to here and help my people, help my friends to select iPhone, then make a shipment for them.